In today's video, I am going to teach you how you can make a full song using Udio, the AI music maker, whether you want a quick beat or a complete track from scratch. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Udio AI Music Maker website. Once you're there, click on Sign In. If you're new, go ahead and create a free account using your Google account or email. After signing in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can start creating music. At the top of the screen, you'll see a text bar where you can describe your song. Go ahead and type what your song is about. For example, you could write something like Happy Dog Adventure or any theme you want. Below that, you'll see tags where you can choose the style of your song, like pop, rock, synth, or any other genre. Tap on the suggested tags that match the vibe you're going for. Next, choose whether you want the AI to generate lyrics and music together or just create an instrumental track. If you want a full song with vocals, select the auto-generated lyrics and music option. If you only want background music, choose Instrumental. Once everything looks good, tap the Create button. The AI will start generating your track and usually gives you 2 short clips to preview. Listen to both versions and pick the one you like the most. Now let's turn that short clip into a full song. To make it longer, tap the Extend option. If you want an intro, choose Instrumental and extend it at the beginning. If you want more verses, select Auto-Generated and extend it after the end of the track. You can also add new tags to change the style later in the song, like adding a different genre for the fall. Ending. Each time you extend, the song gets longer. Keep repeating this process until your track reaches about 2 to 3 minutes. As you build the song, you can rename sections or adjust tags to keep everything organized. Once you're happy with the final result, save your song. From there, you can share it or download it depending on the options available in your account. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can create a full song using Udio AI in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what kind of song you're planning to create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.